welcome to Holiday Resort Lombok. Well, we're doing things a little bit different this time because we've already had a couple of nights here. We were a bit excited and wanted to explore before. However, our room's just been cleaned, so prime time to show you the room. So, come on through. So, first into the bathroom, got the sink, toilet, fantastic space for the shower area, loads and loads of room. You got 2 showers here, you got the small one and the rain shower as well. So loads of room. So we noticed we got 2 bottles of water each day. That is free. Tea, coffee, complimentaries. So they've done really good for us. What else have you seen? Got a safety deposit box. How exciting. And also they provide us with umbrellas like all the other hotels for the rain. So, I'm going to show you the bed. The bed is very, very comfortable. At least this time I can tell you that is absolutely superb. Thank you, Chris. So, we've got to do our actual rolling. So, here we go. 1, 2, 3. It's a great bed. You see, it is superb. So, we've got a TV here, and I'll come with me. I'll show you the best part. This, online, is the garden view. But come on out. I don't know if you'd agree with me, Chris. It's more of a sea view, isn't it?
What do you mean?
Turn the camera the other way. Look at that, guys. That is fantastic. Luxury in a nutshell. And there's so much room on this balcony. And it just keeps going and going and going. Stop. Recommend this anytime. Lombok, as you can see, is absolutely stunning. Tropical paradise, isn't it, Chris?
Absolutely.
I don't know about you, Chris. Are you ready to go onto the beach now?
Beach time!
See ya!